In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a foundation half double crochet. And these stitches are foundation half double crochets and are used to create the underarm and a garment to join the back to the front and the front to the back on both sides. Now, this stitch, I use it on the back loop, as you can see, but you can do it in the back loop, on the front loop, on both loops, whatever it is that you're working on. The foundation half double crochet is going to be the same no matter what. So I hope you find this video useful and that you can learn how to do foundation half double crochets today. The last stitch of the row is usually a full stitch on both loops, but in this case, we're only going to work it on the back loop. So this is the last stitch of the row. I'm on the back right now, and I'm going to join with a foundation half double crochet set before I join to the other front. Okay, so my first foundation half double crochet is going to be a yarn over. Then I'm going to work on both loops of that last stitch and pull my yarn through. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is a foundation half double crochet. Now I'm going to find the 2 loops at the bottom, and I'm going to go behind those 2. All right. Oh, no, I forgot to yarn over, and I'm going to find those 2 loops again. All right, so I have yarned over there. Yarn over, pull through 1, and now I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 again. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, and these are the foundations or the chains that are basically our new stitches. Then I yarn over again, and I'm going to repeat that. Pull through those 2 loops at the bottom, yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, now this last stitch is going to be worked a little bit differently. What I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pick up my first stitch of the other side. All right, so in this case, I'm going to work in both loops of that slip stitch row. This can be a little bit tricky to enter. All right, so now that I am inside that first stitch of my next panel, I'm going to go back to those 2 loops that I've been picking up from my foundation. So this is 1, 2, and this is the third one. So I'm going to pick up those 2 loops again. And now I'm going to yarn over and pull through the 2 loops of my foundation and that first stitch of my next section of my front. Now I have 3 stitches, yarn over and pull through 3. And there you go. And then I continue only on the back loop to work the front to the end of the row. So I'm going to do that at both underarms. And this is what it looks like when it is joining the back to the front and the front to the back as well.